All right, guys, welcome back. This was recorded last night. We did a two-part Linux 18. One was news and nonsense, and then the other one was there are only two kinds of Linux-based operating systems to choose from. Anyway, the first part here is edited. It's audio only. I don't have the video. I'm still having display driver issues in my Linux, but that's okay. We could listen to this. These are short. This one's about 7 minutes. News nonsense, and I'm calling this one Hank the Tank. Once you listen to it, it's funny. Anyway, let's take a listen to a Linux 18 Presents News and Nonsense. Thanks to my dear friends Dan and Joe for jumping in last night. Let's take a listen. Hello and welcome back to a News and Nonsense. I have my returning champions Dan and Joey joining us for tonight. Thank you, Dan and Joey, for stopping in. These are just random news articles I pick off the web. This is a podcast format because the video is not working in Ubuntu Mate. I still have a broken display driver. And so let's have a few laughs. Again, these are random news articles I pick off the web, not necessarily tech-based. In fact, most of them are not. First news article. Miley Cyrus, the pop singer, right? She's
Hannah Montana.
Hannah Montana, right? She's the cousin of Tony Montana. No, I'm just kidding. But Tony Montana. But no. Anyway, she's a bit flashy, right? She's flamboyant. Here's a headline: Miley Cyrus has been censored by a banana in a risky photo.
Oh boy!
I'll let you use your imagination, but yeah.
I ain't gonna go there.
I ain't gonna go there either. But I'm just thinking that the first guy who posted it had to be thinking. He had to be thinking somewhere else. But that's a natural headline. All right, let's move. I told you these are not tech related. All right. New York doctors had to help a man in the hospital. He was complaining of difficulty breathing through his right nostril, and guess what was growing through his right nostril, through his nasal cavity? Anybody want to guess?
A cockroach.
No. It was a tooth.
No way.
That's what it says. Oh. New York doctors removed tooth growing inside a man's nose.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
I guess there's a first time for everything. But yeah.
Would you see a doctor for that or a dentist?
Maybe a little bit of both. I guess this was...
It's not quite oral surgery, you know.
This was in Mount Sinai Health Hospital in New York, and a 38-year-old man had difficulty breathing, blah, blah, blah. He had a deviated septum. I understand that. Anyway, yeah, the surgeons removed the tooth without complications, and the man reported follow-up visit 3 months after the procedure, say he was able to breathe normally. Okay, well, I guess it wasn't as shocking to them as it is to us. But,
really?
Wow, that sounds like something out of like an alien movie, you know. But
right.
Okay, well, I'm glad he's okay. All right, let's see here. Let's go to the next article here. Talk about a crappy story. Well, a plant-based pet food company in Britain is offering $6,000 to smell dog poop for 2 months. Yeah. A plant-based company...
You won't run that by me again.
Let's try this again. A plant-based pet food company, okay, is offering a dog owner $6,000 to switch their canine's diet for 2 months and keep track of the pet's poop smells. You follow?
They want them to eat the dog to eat the organic dog food,
and see if
so they can smell what comes out the other end later.
Right? Yeah.
That's the way I'm reading that.
That's
man.
what it's. Look, I'm just a messenger, but that's what it says. I look for the unusual. Yeah.
What a crappy job.
I guess so. Yeah. There's a lot of crap going on tonight, guys. What can I say?
Yeah. With that dog food there is.
Okay. Well, let's stay with the animals. A massive black bear continues the California home break-in spree. A 500-pound black bear. Oh, he has a name. Okay.
Yo.
His name is Hank the Tank.
Hank the Tank.
Hank the Tank is causing alarm in a town near California's Lake Tahoe.
And what's he stealing? Picnic baskets?
The bear struck again Friday, escalating his antics by busting into a locked and secured home, looking for food. Hank the Tank. Well, that's
Grandma's
better.
apple pie in the window.
Yeah. Anyway, doesn't look like anybody was hurt. They don't want to kill it. Hey, that's. I liked Hank the Tank. I think that's better than Meat Locomotive. Dan, what do you think?
Yeah.
That was a good one. Hank the Tank. Well, good for Hank. All right, one more. This comes out of Florida, where I used to live. Now, remember, I have a saying: never underestimate the power of stupidity. This was a road rage video caught as it happened. Florida man shoots out his own car windows in road rage video. He shoots out his own car windows to shoot the other guy through the So, and
I guess too many police chases.
I guess so. Of course, the guy who did this had a dash cam pointing directly on him as he was doing it. Duh. And there's all the proof the police needed. So the driver, 30-year-old something, 2 felony charges, aggravated assault, and he could face 15 years in prison. This happened on I-95 southbound Miami. I know exactly where that's at. Don't think anybody got hurt. But he took. I guess he really doesn't like Chevys. Not just kidding, but no, no idea. But anyway, nobody was hurt. That's all I have for strange news. Do you guys want to add anything to any of this, or?
No, but I just looked up the video, and that guy, if that's the way he actually is shooting the gun, he's lucky he didn't shoot himself.
Yeah, well,
I
saw the video. Yeah, it's violence is not an achievement, my dear friends.
No.
So don't.
No, it's best to walk away.
Yeah, walk away.
Mm-hmm.
Walk away. All right. Well, that's all I have for this. So keep the laughs coming. Keep your chins up. I know it's been depressing in the news this week, what's going on, but always remember, peace is better than war. Laughter is better than sadness. And love conquers all. Take care.
Yep. Amen to that.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know what else to say except for Ukraine, peace. I'll catch you guys later. Take care.